Okay, cool. So now we are in a more heavy computing room. We have here our traditional business and things we are offering for a year. So on the left side we have many notebooks with GeForce 500 these are the new notebooks with the Intel Sandy Bridge CPUs, and I will show you later demos and games of all these notebooks. But basically today with the GPU you can have a really games like on your desktop, because the GPUs are so powerful now in the notebook that practically you can play everything when you travel. You don't need to just sit in your home. And as well as you see the TV in the front, we are now very heavily involved in the 3D. 3D is just kind of thing which everyone is now talking, starting with 3D televisions, 3D monitors, 3D PCs. This one is the 60-inch screen from the Panasonic, which is connected over HDMI to the PC. And when you have glasses from Panasonic, you see the screen on, it's really amazing. Maybe I can give you the demo. That's the CD screen. Directly coming from the PC, you can connect to the PC directly to the plasma screen and get all the 3D games and 3D content, movies, pictures. It looks really awesome. I love this one. So it's the picture is so plastic because of 3D that the immersion you get from the game, it's much more bigger. It's something usually it's difficult to explain if you didn't experience this. Yeah. So I would everyone recommend to really try the 3D even on the TV or on a PC, because all the games and every content will get completely different experiences. Many new 3D monitors available from Acer. For example, this is a new 27-inch screen, which is with 3D, playing the latest game Crysis 2 here. You need to have for the computers. We have our own 3D vision set called or the 3D set called 3D Vision. So these are the glasses you need to wear. You have either external emitter or integrated emitter in the monitor. You're synchronizing glasses with the picture on the screen. It's switching very fast left and right eye, because for the 3D effect you need to close left and right eye very fast, and that's the emulating, like instead of that you closing your eyes, it's closing the glasses, but it's creating this 3D feeling that you are inside of the space. So here, this is like most advanced thing on a 3D you can get today on the home PCs games, because this one is called 3D Vision Surround. It's made from the 3 monitors. All of them support a 3D. You have the same monitors like in on just one, but you can connect them together and synchronize the picture, and then you see the thing like really in the surround, so you are like surrounded with the picture. You feel more inside the game. I always calling it like the first step to virtual reality, something like in the future will be even more around you. I know that the people working about curved monitors as well with the 3D support, and you can of course change the angle of the monitor, so you can like put them close to you, so you're sitting in the middle of it and you are just surrounded with the picture and everything in 3D, so you just feel like inside of the game. Maybe I can give you the glasses so you can try it by yourself. Try it. Did you know what I'm talking? So now you understand how does such picture looks. I mean, especially in games like Mafia or in 3D games, it's very good that you can have a 3D feeling, because then in the 3D shooters, it's everything about the space, how far is your enemy from you, and this works way better. This one is the G73 from Asus as well with 3D. So as you see, even today notebooks can play the picture or the games and the movies in the 3D. Other notebooks we have here, as I said, are with the latest Sandy Bridge CPUs and the GeForce 500M. The Sandy Bridge is a CPU Intel introduced on the CES this year in the Las Vegas, and then together with them we introduced our 500M, and it's kind of, we're always saying that the best combination you can have today for mobile computing is the Intel together with us, which means we're calling it like better together. So if anyone wants to have a notebook really good for the gaming, just work, everything, to have a great battery life, then he needs Intel and the GeForce 500 Dynamic, it's very important to mention technology Optimus, because Optimus is something which makes your battery really last much longer. So usually with Optimus you can have like around 8 hours battery life. Without the Optimus discrete card it will be like question of hour and your battery is depleted. So then we have here similar things again with 3D called all-in-one. This is like the computer hidden inside of the screen in the monitor, and as well with the 3D support with integrated emitters. So even with such a computers which are based on the touchscreen, you have already 3D feeling. So you can watch the pictures, you can watch the movies, and it's kind of multimedia PC, but because it's everything built inside of the screen, it's kind of very reasonable for the space. So you can hang it on a wall, you can just place it on your table like a big picture. So it's another example. And here we have the rest of the 500M notebooks showing a different games here, explanation of the performance. This is, for example, DirectX 11 demo, and we're showing how much of what you can do already on the computers. It's all these effects are rendered in the real time. So, and this is just a notebook. Imagine a few years ago to do such things on a notebook was more sci-fi than reality. Right. That's all what I have basically.